Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So with here today is this Harbury Centreville ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is for sale and I only want what it's worth, which is $15 plus shipping. I'm gonna be selling it through PayPal, so if anyone wants it, just message me on Instagram and I'll give you my PayPal. It has globes, but the reason why they're not on is, I'll show you. So these screwy things, the screw-in globes, they're all like messed up. And if you like do it on this one, hold on. This one just goes right through. See? That's why globes aren't on. If you want the globes, I'll give them to you for free. But if you don't, just let me know. Yeah, the blades were painted over by the previous owner. It got some paint on the bracket there. I will clean it before it is sold. But, yeah. Everything works. The light kit works on it now. Yeah, paint's coming off, so you can see. Yeah. $15, and just, I'll give you a shipping quote. Just gotta know where your zip code, and I'll give you the shipping quote. But, yeah. Let's start with the light. Here's the light. And we will go to low. The fan runs good, it's just I don't want it and I don't have time for it. And it's a Centreville. Here's medium. And here's high. It's these bulbs that are making it buzz, I think. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.